Last video, I tried blowing up this poor little Honda engine using bacon grease as engine oil. And somehow, this stupid Honda refused to die. A bunch of you people watched me abuse this poor little Honda, and then you guys immediately had some great ideas to try with it. Try things like cooking oil, peanut oil, Crisco, WD-40, and some of you even suggested using baby oil, which I couldn't locate at the store, probably because they're on back order due to those Diddy parties. But long behold, at the good old wall of the mart, I found the oil aisle. And next up is peanut oil. So again, this Honda is about to consume another 30,000 calories. And I don't know the flash point of peanut oil, so maybe I'll have to do some safety first and throw a fire extinguisher in the car this time around, eh? I don't know. Welcome back to the Honda kitchen, where we're gonna take the 1 part peanut oil, 1 part Honda engine, mix it on up, and we will see if the peanut oil kills the Honda engine. Now the engine is already empty, no engine oil or bacon grease in it. As you can see from the stick here, completely dry. And just like last time, we're just gonna fill it up completely with the peanut oil. A gallon's roughly 4 quarts, so we'll just put it all in. This is kind of funny. This is the funnel I use for the BaconUp. There's still solidified bacon grease in there. Sick. Today's real simple. Just add oil. I will say the nice thing about peanut oil is I don't have to heat it up. But here she goes. Drinky, drinky. There you have it. 1 gallon. All right, let's fire this thing up. Now, last time, I do have all the receipts for the compression check, the oil pressure check, all that stuff for the BaconUp in this thing. So we will just check the peanut oil, because I'm curious, not that it matters, but I'm curious, what the actual oil pressure will be with the peanut oil. But fingers crossed that the engine takes a little bit of a nap after using the peanut oil. At least I hope so. Look at that. 80 PSI cold engine. All right, just like last time, the thing's still doing the idle surge, but no knocking, and it's actually running really good. Except this time, when it burns oil, it doesn't smell nearly as good as it did when it was burning bacon grease. But as you can see, it's warmed up, and we're at, I don't know, 30 PSI, 25 PSI-ish, so it's still working really good, which only means one thing. We gotta torture test this thing a little bit. Just like last time, it's actually starting to cool down a bit. Right at like 25 PSI with peanut oil. And actually, once it stops smoking, it starts to run pretty dang good still, other than that idle surge, but so far so good. All right, we're at red line nonstop. Super hot a second time. At 250, 253. So this thing is getting hot, and it's hot outside too, so it's smoking good, but it's still not blowing up, not knocking, everything's working as it should. Is nasty. All right, guys. Well, I think there's like no killing this engine. I think some of you are right. These old Honda engines are pretty freaking indestructible. As long as there's oil and coolant in this thing, I've kind of think it's just going to keep running, to be honest. I mean, as you can see from my cylinder head temp, I'm at 212 degrees. And so after letting this thing run for like 15 minutes straight at 7,000 RPMs and it starts to overheat, within a matter of no time, it starts to cool itself off pretty quickly and it's right at operating temp again. So I don't even know what to say right now. I guess if there's any worry about a shortage of oil currently, well, these vegetable oils, canola oils, all those kind of oils that you see in the cooking aisle, this will actually work in your car, apparently, so far. Don't use this. It's too bad this thing had to be such a rusty turd because this would have been probably a cool car to keep around. You could have just beat the daylights out of this thing. I gotta say, I'm just a little disappointed. I just want this thing to blow up in the worst way, and I just don't want to do it by just draining the oil out and draining the coolant out, because clearly that's just gonna take it out. Everybody knows that. I really thought using one of these weird oils was going to be the demise of this thing, and I just don't think that's the case. I think we're gonna be just fine using this oil, just like the BaconUp. One more rip. Uh-oh, maybe we did something. It might be smoking a little bit, but again, no knocking, nothing. Sounds really good. What if I go soak it with like ice cold well water? Don't do this to your cooking ware. This is a bad idea. How is it working? I don't get it. I'm so confused. I mean, just look at this thing. You're missing bell housing bolts. The engine mount's not even tight there. Missing bolts back here. And, you know, just for the heck of it, I'm just gonna let it sit here and idle for like, I don't know, like 45 minutes just to see if that does anything. All right, just for the heck of it, we're just gonna start a 1 hour timer to idle. Probably won't do anything, but heck, I'm kind of running out of ideas. It didn't kill it. But I refuse to lose here to this engine. It needs to be bye-bye. What if I brought back the forbidden sauce? Ugh. You know, I saved all of these containers, but what if we put it back in there right now while the engine's hot, and then let it cool down and solidify like some of you wanted to see? And I know I wanted to see it too, but what if we let it solidify, then will we throw a rod bearing or do something to this engine? I mean, it has to, right? Let's put the BaconUp back in this thing. I got like half a gallon of peanut oil back. That's a plus. All right, this engine still is 180 degrees. So what I think I might do is pull this valve cover off and just slap the bacon grease in there. That should work. I'll show you the camshaft just for the hell of it. It all looks good. Those cam lobes in there look wonderful. I'm not seeing any issues right there. Literally, everything's looking good. Even with peanut oil, it works just fine. Look at that. It melts like butter. Oh, gross. It's pretty gross. You can hear it drain back into the engine. You gotta admit, that's pretty disgusting. It's all just turning into a liquid, folding right back into the engine. Ew. Yucky. All right, well, there we have it. Bacon grease is back, baby. We're gonna put the valve cover back on. I'm gonna run it, let it cycle through the engine, and then I'm gonna let it sit for 24 hours. And then run it again. And it should, by then, plug up everything. I'm hoping it will plug up everything and not get hot enough quick enough and to melt that whatever bacon grease contraption thing we just made is, and it should blow up, right? It has to. And I better just at least cycle all that fluid through the engine just once so it gets on everything. So hopefully that helps make it gelatinous. I don't know. I don't know the right way to try to destroy this thing, okay? But hey, we have 45 PSI of oil pressure. Look at that. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, today better be the day. I think we just go right into it and get rodding on this thing. It's gotta blow up today, right? Come on, boys and girls. It's gotta blow up. Oh, I'm gonna get right into it. Don't even let it warm up. Hey, it shut off. It'll still start though. Now it sounds like I got launch control. Here we go, launch control. Well, there you have it. I think this thing's a tank. I don't think it's ever gonna die, to be honest with you guys. All we have is smoldering bacon grease again, smoking, so it smells okay. Solidified bacon grease, first thing in the morning, starting it hard, going hard, but it's running great. All right, well, I guess you guys were probably right. These Honda D-Series engines, they just can't be stopped. As long as there's some form of oil in there, it doesn't have to be engine oil, clearly, and coolant in the thing, it's just gonna keep on running and not explode. What's next? What can we put in here that is a gamble, but may destroy the engine? I'm honestly getting a little frustrated it's lasting this long, so help me blow this thing up.